Hello, welcome to this demo, how to make refunds in SQL-Ledger. Refunds are just a reversal of payment. When payment has been made, the account needs to be reversed. It is not an expense. Now, let's assume that we raise an invoice and receive payment. Raise an invoice and receive payment from this customer. Here, we could put a second term school fees please, for second term 2022. We now select the items that we need to bill the students, and these are the above. We've done them and they are showing us. Let's assume the date that this was billed was on the 10th. Now we can bill and receive payment at the same time. Now let's assume that we now receive payment here by selecting the date, the source, and we select school fees, and the amount is 68,000. We click on update. You can see what the accounts look like. Once you post from here, we click on post, and let us look at what the trial balance looks like. This is what it is here. Yes, we have nil of this. This amount of 68,000 is already in our account. Let's now assume that it is discovered that the student is not expected to pay a development levy. The student has already paid. What are we going to do to make the refund? We can just go to account receivable, credit note, and click on select. The name of the student is selected already here. So we now impute the amount of that is the amount of the receipt here, the development levy. We must select the development levy and we put on the 3,000 that is here. We now type in the memo in the description, refund of development levy. Now we can click on update. We select the date that was paid. We select it, the date here, and let's assume that it's on the 17th. Click on update. We come down here and select the 17th also, and select the cash, and we select the refund. This one here should be refund, and the amount is 3,000 naira, and we take it right from to the same bank that the amount was deducted. Once you raise this, it should be able to do the reversal, and you click on post. Great. Let's look at the trial balance. If you click on the trial balance, this is what you could see. You could see that the amount here has been reduced. That is from the bank. There has been a reduction of 3,000 which makes it 65,000, and the development levy has also been closed, and you could see that there's no balance again. So what we actually earn is 65,000. You could check the income statement and you also see that our earning is 65,000 because we had reduced the 3,000. If you check the balance sheet, you also notice that all we have in the bank is now 65 and our current earnings is 65,000. Thanks for your attention. I will see you in my next video.